Hello, my name is Jeppe Tingbjerg. I am the founder and CEO of the International Massage Association. The International Massage Association, also called IMA, organize and arrange the World Championship in Massage. The World Championship in Massage is a competition, but at the same time, an opportunity for massage therapists to find professional inspiration and networking. On a daily basis, I own a massage school in Denmark myself, and I have a franchise school too. We also educate therapists in acupuncture and reflexology. This is a video podcast featuring key players in the massage profession around the world. These are conversations about massage methods, styles, and education levels. We do this in order to share knowledge and to inspire massage therapists, massage teachers, school and spa owners. Today's guest is Tipavan Nouri. She is from Thailand but lives and works in Qatar. She is educated in many massage and skin methods, among these Thai warrior massage, Toksen, reflexology and Swedish massage. She is also educated as a yoga instructor. Besides that, she has a bachelor's degree of hotel and tourism management from the University of Phuket. Tipavan Nouri became world famous in 2019 when she won the World Championship in Massage in the category Swedish Massage. She was a controversial choice of the judges since she was not from the Western world and since many believed that she used too many Thai techniques inside the Swedish massage category. Welcome to Tipavan Nouri. It is great having you as our guest.
Thank you very much, Epe. Thank you for having me here.
We know you as this wonderful therapist. We saw you last year at the World Championship in massage in Copenhagen, and you did a great job. Please tell us when and why did massage come into your life?
Talking about the career of the massage, I graduated my bachelor degree of hotel and tourism management. Let's say 19 years ago. It's a long time. That time the spa industry is still not very much well known. Yeah. So, but as the last year of hotel management, they will ask you to choose where you will do internship program too. So the spa industry is come new on that time. So I said, okay, let's try something new. So when I get into internship program, so I found out that a therapist career, they have many sort of income. Number one, you will have a salary. Number two, you will work with the commission. Number three, you will get the tips, of course, if your service good. And then on top of that, some hotel they have a service charge. So it's like sort of very good income. So it's come to my mind that this is interesting. So I get internship program in the spa, and it's very interesting. So after I finished internship program, so I applied for the job in Banyan Tree Spa, which is one of the best in the world. So they have the academy, they select the people, they train the people like 6 months. 6 months you are in academy, you don't go out, they train everything. They train you English, they train you how to use your hand. In the morning you will do theory, in the afternoon you will do practice. So in 6 months, then it's come on my, and I'm happy, it's because my house, since I was born, my house is near to the beauty center. So I always go there, help her to do shampoo, do nail. So I love all this job. So that is the beginning of my career. So that time become it's the massage. You will see that I didn't graduate direct from the massage. I learned from Banyan Tree Academy, and then I work, and then every years when I have holiday to go back to Thailand, so I use that time, take short course in Chivasom Academy to get skip tag, to learn anatomy, to learn to collect my knowledge. And as we work in the hotel, you will have a training, in-house trainer. They will train you, what treatment, like this kind of thing. So that is helped me to improve the career. Yeah. So this is come to my life.
Yeah, and now you live in Qatar and work in a spa.
Yeah. Now I based on Qatar, which is Middle East. I work for Shark Village and Spa, which is under Ritz-Carlton, and then it's under Qatar Hospitality. Before to become this, it was Six Senses Spa, and then before, so when my career started, I improved myself, and then I became a head therapist, and then I become a trainer. And Six Senses, they have many spa around the world. Let's say that time 36 around the world. So they will have 7 regional trainer, which is responsibility of each region. For me, I respond for the Middle East, Oman, Qatar, Dubai, Sigibe, like this area. So I go to train the people. And before that, I would say that I learned a lot from this program, because in 7 of regional trainer, they will bring us together 1 month, and they will train us how to train the staff. So I learned a lot from this. And then after that, Six Senses left Qatar. I mean, they removed themselves from this property. So I still remain here. And then I turned myself to become a local practitioner. What is local practitioner? It means I have to have my own treatment, my signature treatment that nobody else can do. But yes, I have to qualify all those treatments, to provide to the clients. So I use all my skill, my technique, what I have learned, and create the treatment itself. So, and of course, your payment is different than when you are a normal therapist. Yeah, so this is here I am. I'm working as a local practitioner in Shark Village Hotel in Qatar. And also I am a personal therapist of one of a royal family in Qatar, which is I cannot mention who it is. So that is the honor of me. Yeah.
Yeah, now you have told us also a little bit about your clientele. Let's go to the next topic, actually.
Yeah.
You came to Denmark last year and participated in this World Championship in massage. And,
yes.
And of course, you won a gold medal in the Swedish massage category. But how did this event change your life, really?
Oh, this is a very good question. I know about this competition when one day I have watched some Thai program of Nari Soimer. Nari Soimer is the world champion for the first year, I think, not 2017, right? So I come to know this program. So that time already by beginning of June, immediately when I see this program, so I said, I'm gonna attend this, and I was very happy. Oh, there is this kind of competition in this world, because as you know, the massage, not many people bring it up and to spread like this. So I was very happy, and then I said, I'm going to participate this. But that time when I look at it, it's only few days to the competition. So I missed 2018 because it's a very short period of time. So I won't be able to prepare myself. So I missed that. So I said, okay, next year I'm gonna attend this competition. So when it's come like that for me, the purpose of participate this competition, I would like to see. I run to see many video clips that you guys doing. I can feel that they are full of the talent people who go there. Different technique I never see before. It's like kind of something very exciting for me to go. So I have to go. It's not that okay. I hope that I could win, but it's not the main point. So I want to go there. Okay, I also have something special in me. I want to bring whatever I'm doing to show to the world. And then I want to see another people how they do. I want to surround with the talent people. When you are surrounding with this kind of talent people, you get some special energy. It's kind of to earn the experience. And yes, it's good if I can win. I have a hope that I can be win, but if I'm not win, it's okay. So I just prepare myself. I do my best. It takes quite, it's like kind of challenge myself. I have to prepare, in 60 minutes. You have to complete everything, which is normally when I give a treatment, I take long time, especially when the case they have a problem. No, you have to be patient, you have to go slow. But in this competition, in 60 minutes, you have to show all of you. It's not easy, you have to prepare. You have to shortening your technique and to show to win the heart of the judge. Yeah, so that is come. I do my best, and then when I got win, is one of the best day in my life. On that day, I have no word to explain, to describe how happy I am. Of course, I'm proud, and then happy. And the effect after that day, first thing, oh my God, Facebook. I received so many friend requests on the Facebook, which is normally I'm not a social media person because I work, I go home, I only use Facebook for my family. I'm not a social media person. And then after that, you have so many friend requests. Until now, there's still so many pending friend requests in my Facebook because I have to check one by one, the profile and all. So this is, I would say, this is a big change for me. And then connection. On the first day, you already meet a lot of people who come to greet you, who come to say congratulations, who want to, to speak to you, to know about you more. I feel like I'm a superstar, and that is the effect after. So let this come. And there are more and more, JP. Really, really is more and more. We are, let's say, 10, 12 of Thai people who won the championship from this international massage. We are 10, I'm not wrong, maybe I wrong in the number. So we have one project after that, which is very impressed me. We have a temple in Switzerland. They need some money to build the temple. So we talk, okay, all of us who are the winner, we will go there and then we will announce to the people who come to see us. Of course, they will pay for the fee, and then the money after deduct the cost, we will give for the donation. On October, we have this project on October, and all of us go there. You won't believe, JP, this is open the view of, it's open another point of view in the life. Because I work in 5-star spa, I train the people, the one who I train, they already have the qualification. I mean, it's very easy to train them. You just show them one time and then they can do. But I think around 120 people of the students who join that project, which is a big money. We charge how much? Let's say 600 euro, which is, and for 3 days, so you will learn from the champion. I don't expect that there will be that many people who interested to learn from the champion, which is we only have 3 days, so we have to divide the group and so on. But more than 100 people come, JP. It was exhausted. It was like, wow, it very impressed me because I never know that this is very big community of Thai people who go there in Europe and they open the small shop, they work as a massage therapist. So that time I really is the new thing for me because I fly from Middle East for another champion. They are in Europe, they know about it, but for me it's very new thing for me. And to teach the people who doesn't have much skill, it's not easy, JP. You have to go on detail, you have to be patient, you have to be, understand. I think that is a new thing for me, really, really. So this come the project, we end up with very successful, and then we give a lot of money. And we do the t-shirt, in front of IMA, and then behind we have a logo of our Thai massage, World Massage Championship Thailand team is mean, our Thai champion. We do this project and then we will keep the knowledge and all. We do the auction. We do the auction of the T-shirt. Wow, the people crazy to get the T-shirt. We got like almost how much 5,000 euros just for the auction for the T-shirt. But of course, we give all that money to the temple. So this is very big thing, and then it is. I feel very impressed, very happy when my skill and can do something more useful for the people. So and after that, after that, the people know about me more, and also another champion, they want to learn from you, some school. So it's like kind of open the new opportunity for me to traveling more to the Europe. People are requesting the school, okay, please bring teacher Nori to teach something. So I traveling quite few of the trip to Netherlands and then the different place, because I have a limit of traveling. That is on the side of teaching the people. And also, I have an opportunity of another 5-star resort in Maldives. They contact me. They want me to be there as a local practitioner to train the people. Maldives is my dream. So this is the first time I go to Maldives. It's beautiful. So this is the effect, after got the winner. And of course, in a social media is a big change. I turn to be, you become to be net idol. People are following you. So. But I didn't feel myself. I didn't feel that I'm more special, or I'm more better than others, because what I'm doing is what I'm doing since so many years. But on another way, I have to be very careful on social media, whatever I post, because I have to have in mind that there are almost 5,000 people are follow me on the Facebook. So I have to be careful whatever I post, whatever I share. It's a kind of, you don't have that personal what you call personal feeling that you want to post whatever you want. No, it's not like that. So that is the effect after the winning until and of course I have a chance to be a judge of the next year's participate, which is my dream.
Thank you for telling me the story about this community that you have, not you, but all of you Thai people have made, and you went to this temple in Switzerland, and you made some charity teaching work, and this is one of the benefits from the World Championship in Massage. We didn't see that coming, by the way. But we have seen that especially the Thai community has been getting together and have done these charity things, or traveling, teaching in different schools. You told me you have been in Switzerland also teaching at Shida Spa and Academy, for example, and I've seen great pictures from it. So you're actually also telling there are many benefits. You talk about the social medias, and you've got many contacts, people who want to follow you. But I can also see many of the other participants, greater participants, by the way, they are also receiving many contacts and new friendships. And so let's be honest, it's not, you don't have to win really to gain from it. But
yes,
of course, it's even more fun when you win, and you have. From our point of view, you have handled it very good, because you came from being an average therapist, and you not an average, but because you were very skilled, but no one really knew you, and then you got world famous overnight, and you have made some beautiful films, and you have promoted the massage profession in a new way. This is also why we are having this conversation. You have made some beautiful film.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
During this conversation, we are playing some of them, so people can see how beautiful massage is, how good it is, not only for the body but also for the mind.
Yeah.
Let's move to the next topic. Is where do you think the massage profession is headed?
Oh, I think we are on the right track. I think on very good direction. If I compare 19 years ago when I started my career and now, I'm very, very happy. You will see that in this, in this, in this day, so many things can replace with the machine. The bank people, they lose their job, right? Even the doctor, they have some machine robot, but our massage, you can never replace with anything. You cannot replace with anything, because you need to use the hand. You have to feel it. You have to feel the problem. So I think this is one of the career that will stay. And then before, we don't have the school. I mean, in Thailand, we don't have the university for the massage. But now, most of the university, they put this project. You can measure, you can graduate from this proper, which is, I'm very happy for the new generation, which is my generation. I don't have it, and then they are very lucky that they have everything provided. And day by day, I feel that also this is I really would like to say thank you to you to create this competition. It is one of the tools to help the massage world to improve, exchange the knowledge, to become like the center of everyone to come together. It's not only about the winner, it's the kind of you gathering people are know each other, people sharing, and then you will see that so many things going on around the world now. Not only Thai community, I see European community, of course, the language and all. You have the top people who have very talent, very high skill. They meet each other, they're sharing and they go to teach the people. I'm doing, you doing, slowly I do on my people, you do on your people. So slowly it will go better. We help the people to educate them, to give them whatever talent we have. Because for me, the massage is an art. It's no specific. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It depends on that person, how creative, and then if you create one massage and you use alone, only your client, what is the point? So if I have something good, I bring out to show, okay, I cannot go everywhere in the world, but by doing this, the film, with the video, and now people can see on social media, I believe this is one of the way that I can share my knowledge and people can see, they will see it. Of course, they cannot do exactly like me. Maybe they have a better idea to top up more. So that's why this is also the reason that I make the video clip. And when you do something, you do best. You don't do something that, I like to see nice videos. So I really hire professionals to come. So this is, if I'm doing and everyone keep doing that, and then we can learn it from the social media. Of course, it's not the same like if we go and teach hand to hand, that is the best. But when we can't do like that, we can still learn from this one. So for me, I'm very happy the way the massage professional is headed to, and I see very bright future of it, and that's it. And thank you to you to create this program, even European Championship and so ever. I think this kind of thing is like the center is like a hub to bring the people out and then to exchange the knowledge, to make the people together and sharing everything. Yeah.
Thank you, Nuri. It has been a pleasure, and thank you for sharing your ideas and thoughts and your amazing videos. And I hope
you very much. Thank you.
And I hope you will continue promoting massage the way you do, together with all.
I will.
And so thank you for this conversation.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me here. See you around. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for listening. Please help the International Massage Association to inspire therapists, teachers, school and spa owners, and equipment suppliers by sharing this podcast. Please also invite the same people to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.